It is a great privilege and honor for me to be here today amongst you. And I'm also grateful to you that you came all along to make this annual event here in Quetta. We also expect that you came, since you came in on the heels of a tragedy that occurred in Mastung, you must have many questions in your mind, whether the travel that you made so far was worth it, whether Balochistan is peaceful, whether we have a serious security issue, whether all sort of fears, uncertainty after this unfortunate incident. Since my colleagues, minister, and other speakers spoke about engineers' flight and the rest of the issues, I just want to focus on security so that you would have a clarity that where we are coming from as a government and what is our resolve, how we are going to resolve this issue. Ladies and gentlemen, make no mistake, our resolve is 1,000 times strengthened after this event, and that is not a rhetoric. This is something that you will see in the coming days and months, how our state, the Pakistani state, the Balochistan government, our security forces, all their auxiliary forces from police to levies, with the full state of might, we will go after all these terrorists. We will kill them in the mountains. We will kill them in their tracks. We will kill them in their sanctuaries, and we will go after them even if they are not within the borders of Pakistan. I can assure you that is the message of the Pakistani state. That is the message of the Pakistan Armed Forces leader and the army chief. That is the message of the Prime Minister. That is the message of the Chief Minister of Balochistan. We will avenge every blood of the martyr, whether it's the martyrs of the Mastung, whether it's the blood of the martyrs in Hangu, whether it is the blood of our security forces who are laying their lives every day to protect every inch of this land, every citizen of this country, and we are breathing because of their sacrifices. Every day you hear it that we are taking their corpse in their coffins to the grave, and this is a testament, this is a fact that our country will survive regardless of the challenge. So this is going to be a game changer in our anti-terrorism strategy. This is not something that it is going to be a business as usual from now onward. And I also can assure you that there will be the cost, whatever it takes. We will defeat them, and we will make sure that the state of Pakistan win it. They are not bigger than the state of Pakistan. They are not resourceful than the state of Pakistan. We will end the appeasement policy. It will be a war against them, and we will take the war to their doorstep. Not that we will wait them. They will come and kill us in our cities, in our towns, and in our houses. No more this appeasement policy. It is simply a resolve of the state. You will see Balochistan will be opening to business, to investment, to the world. It is going to be a gateway for the foreign direct investment. We will make sure that Balochistan is as secured as Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Iran, and we will see that this is the question that we are raising it. We will make sure that the terrorism is not happening in any other country in our region. It is only happening in our country. It is only happening in Balochistan and KPK. Why it's not happening in Iran? Why it's not happening in Tajikistan and Uzbekistan? Because we know our enemy, who was the mastermind, they are sitting where they are. We also know that who is the mastermind. They want to keep this region destabilized, but we will take our war to them. This is a message that they should get it. We know where they are. We know where they are operating from. And I can assure you that the state resolve is, again, I would repeat, 1000 times determined that we will avenge and we will make sure that Pakistan is no more a victim of terrorism. And I just want to say that thank you very much for coming to Quetta. Please do come. Next time you will come, inshallah. Balochistan will be a different place and it will welcome you. And please remember my word. It is no more a business usual to kill these terrorists who, due to them, we are sacrificing every day our kids, our young men and our women. No more. This is acceptable. Thank you very much.